Hello, Sanbonani. My name is Sibongile or Sibo. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making cornbread, the bread that went to Harvard. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Beat the eggs in a bowl. For support, please stay until the end and run the eggs. Add cooled melted butter. Add the cream of corn. Stir, not too much, just to match the flavors. I would like to thank my returning subscribers, my easy family, for their loyal support. I appreciate you. Sift in the flour and mix with a spoon. If you are new to this channel or you are a regular visitor, please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. It's free to subscribe. If you love cars, please support this channel, Love Drive, by subscribing. Shout out to you, Love Drive. Tap the pan a few times, then sprinkle the grated cheddar cheese. Please press the like button and put your comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this recipe. Bake for 45 minutes or until it is done. If it is browning fast, cover it with the foil. Then cool it, slice and serve. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye. Collect from the sides of the bowl, mix, then pour into a lined baking pan.